Now blue is not enough.
Today's unit is by Sensationnel. It's an instant wig. It does have lace, looks like, but looks like it doesn't have that much. So the name of the wig is Ina, and it's in the color 1B as well. This is the card. The back gives you just some colors it comes in and a little bit of care instructions. Now I think I had already pulled this one out to wear one time, but then I didn't wear it. Yeah, I did her bad. I didn't wear her. So she's just a basic everyday wig. So she does come with lace, but she only comes with like a little bit of lace right at the parting area here. And then she doesn't have any combs. That's what it is. She doesn't have any combs. But she is a really pretty unit. And I remember when she first came out, like, she was all the rage. So let me get off Miss Jada. This unit is Jada. And let me get on Miss Ina. Yeah. She is my type of wig. Okay, this is the wig on. All I'm going to do literally is go through and brush some of the curls out, detangle the bottom of it, and the tips, because when I put it back, I just kind of laid it in the bag. So that's all I'm gonna do. This is really a great wig for beginners because you instantly get glammed up. It is just literally everything. These curls, the length, the bang. Y'all know I live for a bang. Oh yes. So just watch me do this, and then I'll come back to you at the end and give you my final thoughts on Miss Ina. She is goals. Okay, so this is Miss Ina, and as you can see, I'm in love with her. She's cute. I'm feeling it. Okay, let me give you a 360. This is the front of the wig. I want you to be able to see the part. I did put a little bit of powder in there. I did have to pluck it a little bit. Put a little pluck on it. Okay. And I probably could come in here and stack this some more, but we'll go with that for now. So this is the front. This side. And this is the back. And here is this side. Yes, girl, you want to just throw this hair like, you know, what did you say? What did you say? You just want to throw it. So easy. Now this wig is called, I think, an instant wig. So like literally you don't have much to do to this. Like you just cutting off this teeny piece of lace and you're just going to throw her on. Now you can sit her behind your hairline if you want to, but I think she fits pretty flat. Let me get close to the camera. I think she sits pretty flat, so you don't necessarily have to do that. But I will say she got these beautiful little curls in here, and it's like a romance curl. So if you are into that, you are going to love her. Like, ooh, I'm feeling real. Some of these units, they bring like out a different person in me. I'm feeling like, I don't know, a cheerleader or something, a Dallas cheerleader. I don't know, a housewife. Maybe I feel like a housewife. Okay, I could feel something like that. But she is so cute. She is very effortless, easy. Now this is a good wig. This is a good wig for a beginner, somebody who they're not sure about wigs. They don't want to cut off a lot of lace. They don't want to, you know, go through any jazz with their edges. This is the wig for you. So let's get into some cons. I don't really personally have any cons. You don't get lace along the entire perimeter. You only get it by the part. So to me, that's cool because you get it by the part, so you can make it flat here. And to me, it looks good. I mean, it's not bad. Obviously, it's easy. You can lift it up, but it doesn't look bad. Long as it stays flat. I did pluck it just a little bit, and I did, like I say, put some of my pressed powder in there. Excuse me. But other than that, I only mention it because it may be a comment for somebody else. So that the hair texture, I like it. I love the hair texture. Somebody else may not like it. It's not silky, but it's not yucky. It's definitely an in between, and it's not the permed yucky. It does have some coarseness to it when you get up on it. It does have some little bit coarseness, but I like it. It flows to me. As long as I can like throw some hair, girl, I can just be like, I'm okay with the texture. I'm like, I can throw this hair around. What did you say? Yeah, you could throw it. So I'm good with that. But for some people, it may not be. I didn't get any shedding on this, and you shouldn't, because you don't have to do much to it. So you shouldn't get any shedding. But my personal pros to the wig is the length, the curl, the dimension of the curl, the fact that I can make it a side part because I'm into my side parts, the fact that I can get a bang out of this and it's not too crazy, like it's not too cut up too high. I feel like these curls are gonna last for a while. I feel like you don't have to do much to that. I don't know why I've been sleeping on these units. I don't know why I slept on you, Ina. I'm sorry, girl. I let that day, I don't know what I was thinking, but I didn't wear it. But I went through the process and never put her on. So anyway, the cap construction's nice. I like that it has a good cap construction. And I also think that if you wanted to pin it up, you could. You know, if you wear it to work or you wear it somewhere, you don't want it in your face, you could pin it up and just let the curls be tousled in the back. So for me, all those are pros. I didn't find any real negatives with the unit. It's a very simple, easy throw on and just go wig. Again, I think it's great for beginners. It does have a little length to it, but that's okay. And if you want to cut it, you probably can. Remember, ladies, if you're going to cut your wigs, get you some thin shears. They will save your life. But I wouldn't cut her, but if you wanted to, you could, because she has all these layers. So you could cut her to about up to here maybe. If you wanted it to make it short, cut it up to this layer right here. So if you guys are feeling Ina, I'm going to leave the information in the description box below. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell so you can get notifications. And if you share this video or any of my videos on your social media platform, tag me in it. You know by now, what's my name? What's my name? What's my name? What's my name? Beauty by Mark. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.
And on me, holding me closer than